For 5 years, Omar tried. He gave his best. At least, that's what he believed. But lately, everything felt heavy. Arguments, silence, misunderstandings. One night, Omar whispered to himself, "Maybe this marriage isn't meant to be." He looked at the door, but before he could leave, he picked up the Quran, and something stopped him. Omar and Ayesha weren't always like this. They were once two people madly in love for the sake of Allah. They prayed together, planned together, and even dreamed together. But life isn't a movie. Work stress, financial struggles, and sleepless nights chipped away at the laughter. They drifted, but never fully left. That night, Allah guided Omar to this verse, "And live with them in kindness." Surah An-Nisa 4:19. Omar stared at it. Kindness, not perfection, not control, not always being right, just kindness. He closed the Quran and cried, because in that moment he realized he wasn't failing because his marriage was broken. He was failing because he forgot to love. Gently, Omar didn't leave that night. Instead, he stayed. He prayed for her. He listened. He tried again, but this time with sabr, with dua, and with genuine love. Ayesha, she forgave, because she too was waiting for him to come back, not to the house, but to her heart. Marriage is not about always agreeing. It's not about fireworks and perfection. It's about commitment, mercy, patience, and remembering that when things get tough, you turn to each other, not away. And the ones who truly succeed are those who bring to Allah a sound heart. Surah Ash-Shu'ara 26:89. Start there.